What's up, everybody? It's Maria here, and you know we gotta stay teched up. Still grinding, MeSon? Let's make your iPhone work smarter, not harder. We're diving deep into 25 iPhone tips and tricks to save you time, protect that privacy, and boost your daily flow. Let's get into it. First up, let's customize that back tap. Double tap for a screenshot, you got it. Need to measure something on the fly? Your iPhone's got you covered. Let your iPhone be your ears. Doorbell, siren, you'll know instantly. Chapter 4, Pinned Convos. Keep those important conversations front and center. Pin him. Chapter 5, Custom Vibration Alerts. Know who's calling without even looking. That's next level. Chapter 6, Quick Calculator Delete. Mistakes happen. Delete calculator digits like a pro. Chapter 7, Ditch the bulky scanner. Your iPhone is all you need. Chapter 8, iOS 15 and up. You know we got that drag and drop magic. Chapter 9, lost your AirPods again? Siri to the rescue. Chapter 10, silence unknown callers. Spam calls? Not on our watch. Silence them for good. Chapter 11, hidden app library. Keep your home screen clean with the app library. Chapter 12, hide photos. Keep those private pics private, hide them away. Chapter 13, type faster, smarter, with text replacement shortcuts. Chapter 14, big phone, small hands, no problem. Chapter 15, iOS 15, we see you with the mask-friendly Face ID. Chapter 16, turn those live photos into shareable GIFs. Easy. Chapter 17, typing mistake, just shake it off, literally. Chapter 18, control center timers just got a whole lot faster. Chapter 19, take control of your privacy. Limit that app tracking. Chapter 20, save battery life like a boss with this shortcut. Chapter 21, scroll through your albums at lightning speed. Chapter 22, live text magic. Copy text straight from your photos. The future is now. Chapter 23, stay secure on public Wi-Fi. This is key. Chapter 24, prioritize sleep, MeSon. Your iPhone can help. Chapter 25, safety first. Know how to use emergency SOS. All right, MeSon, we just leveled up your iPhone game. 25 tips and tricks to make your life easier, smoother, and more efficient. Which one was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to Dusty Seconds for more tips and tricks. And I'll catch you in the next one.